Today, we'll explore the top 5 electric doorbells for home use. These options offer a range of features, benefits, and prices to suit various needs and preferences, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the SECRUI wireless doorbell priced at $17. This doorbell is incredibly easy to install, requiring no wiring and taking just 1 minute to set up. With a range of up to 1,000 feet, it ensures that you never miss a visitor, even if you're far from the door. It features strong anti-interference capabilities, preventing any signal mix-ups with your neighbor's doorbells. The SECRUI Doorbell offers 58 different chimes and 5 adjustable volume levels, including a festive Merry Christmas ringtone. The device is made from high-quality ABS material, providing excellent fire and flame resistance. It is also IP55 dustproof and waterproof, making it durable in various weather conditions. The energy-saving design ensures that the transmitter only uses power when the button is pressed, extending battery life to 3 years. Customers love its loud, clear sound that can be heard throughout the house. They also appreciate the hassle-free installation and affordable price. However, some users have noted that it may start ringing randomly after a few years of use, potentially due to battery issues. Second, we have the Newhouse hardware 2-note electric doorbell chime kit priced at $23. This kit includes everything needed for a basic door chime setup: a door chime, a transformer, and 2 lighted push buttons. It's designed for hardwired installation and can be used with 1 or 2 doorbells, featuring a 2-note melody for the front door and a single note chime for the back door. This makes it easy to know which door needs attention. The push buttons are quick to install and can be mounted on the door frame or exterior wall. Users appreciate the quality materials and sleek design of the chime. Some have mentioned a strong chemical smell, but upon unboxing, this usually dissipates over time. The kit is a great replacement for older doorbells, offering reliable performance at a reasonable price. However, issues with the transformer or wiring may require occasional troubleshooting, especially in extreme weather conditions. Overall, it is praised for its straightforward installation and value for money. Next on the list is the wireless doorbell priced at $9, which offers modern design and practical functions. It features a stylish appearance and it's lightweight, making it easy to install with either adhesive or screws. The doorbell has an operating range of up to 1,000 feet, ensuring you can hear it throughout your home. It comes with 52 different ringtones and 5 volume levels, including a mute mode, allowing you to customize it to your preference. The doorbell is easy to set up, requiring no batteries for the receiver. Customers appreciate its ease of use and the variety of ringtones available. It's also noted for being a great option for pet training, as the chimes can be used to signal pets. Reviews highlight its loud and clear chimes, but some users have experienced random ringing after several months of use. Despite this, its affordable price and functional design make it a popular choice. Fourth is the Newhouse hardware CHM1 doorbell chime, which costs $13. This classical doorbell features a simple ding-dong sound for the front door and a single dong for the back door. It requires a 16-volt transformer, which is not included for proper operation. The package includes the door chime and mounting screws, making installation straightforward. This wired doorbell is compatible with video doorbells like Ring, though it may require additional troubleshooting. Customers appreciate its basic yet reliable design, which works well as a replacement for older chimes. However, some users have found the volume insufficient for larger homes, particularly for the back door chime. The product is praised for its affordability and compatibility, despite minor drawbacks. It is noted for its ease of installation and ability to blend with home decor. Overall, it offers good value for those seeking a traditional doorbell sound. Finally, the SECRUI Doorbell with over 1,000 foot coverage, priced at $19, offers versatility and ease of use. This wireless doorbell includes 2 plug-in receivers and 1 waterproof push button, providing extensive coverage. It features 58 chimes and 5 adjustable volume levels, allowing for customization. Installation is quick and easy with no wiring required. The doorbell is weather resistant, capable of operating in temperatures from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and is IP55 dustproof and waterproof. The device is made from high quality ABS material, ensuring durability and safety. Customers praise its loud sound, customizable chimes, and excellent range, with one receiver placed upstairs and the other downstairs. However, some users have mentioned the inconvenience of resetting settings after power outages. Others noted that while the device is water resistant, it may not hold up under direct rain for extended periods. Despite these minor issues, it remains a popular choice for its functionality and ease of use. So, in conclusion, these top 5 electric doorbells cater to various preferences and budgets. Whether you prioritize easy installation, advanced features, or classic design, there's an option that will meet your needs and enhance your home's convenience and security. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.